Let's learn a kitchen hack that works for ginger, garlic, and herbs. So when it comes to ginger, garlic, or herbs, sometimes you just don't have them fresh, or you had some fresh that you thought were good. When you go to use them, they're bad. You could buy the pastes, or you could always, use the dried powdered version, but sometimes that's not what you want to do. Here's a way where you can have some stored. So for ginger, peel, chop it into chunks. For garlic, you would just peel the cloves. And then for herbs, you use them whole, or you can take off the stems, depending on what herbs you're talking about. Then you throw your ginger chunks, or your garlic cloves, or your herbs right into a blender bottle or a food processor with just enough water to turn this into a paste. Blend this into a paste, and then you can pour your paste into ice cube trays, or you can just pour it into a Ziploc bag. Spread it out, lay it flat, and then throw this in the freezer until it freezes. And then you have something like this once it's frozen, and then you can just break off a piece. There's a little kitchen hack for storing some extra fresh frozen garlic, ginger, herbs.